Easy free crochet scarf pattern. Hey beautiful love muffin, Shandy here. I have a beautiful and simple crochet scarf pattern for you today. Check it out. This beautiful Sierra scarf was designed for you by Christina Smiley. It features this really cool wavy edge, and this very simple repeating chevron pattern creates these peaks and valleys which sort of resemble mountains. And if you would like, you can download the written version at expressionfiberarts.com. I will also put the direct link in the description for you. We used our shimmering pearlescent worsted yarn for this, a soft and glowing blend of Mulberry Silk and Superwash Merino Wool. You'll need 2 skeins of this or 440 yards of any other worsted weight yarn, as well as a US size J 6.0 millimeter hook. So grab your favorite drink, pop on some music, curl up in your favorite chair, and let's get started on this pattern. You're gonna begin by chaining 58. Just to keep things short and sweet today, I will just do 18. Okay, let's go ahead and work row 1. You're gonna start by skipping that first chain and working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, as well as each of the next 2 chains. 2 and 3. Then you'll chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next chain and then work a single crochet into each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and work 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 chains. This is going to make that little peak there, or a little valley actually, on the edge. Next is chain 3, skip a chain, and then work 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Your scarf is going to be wider since you chained 58 to start. So from here, where you skipped those 3 chains, you're going to repeat all of that all the way across to the end of your row. Now on to row 2. You'll turn your work, and then you're going to start this row by chaining 1. Then you're going to skip the next single crochet. We're not going to work into that one. You're going to single crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Then you're going to work single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in this chain 3 space here. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet. Then you're going to single crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Then the part that you're going to repeat across your row is you're going to skip the next 2 single crochets. Skip, skip. We're skipping the 2 that are right there in that valley. And you're going to single crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Then you're going to work single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 space. Single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in the chain 3 space. Then you're going to single crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets. And you'll continue repeating that across your row till you get to the end. you can see the little peaks and valleys forming. And that's it. You're just gonna repeat row 2 over and over and over until you get the length of scarf you prefer. A very simple pattern, but the end result is so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. Go out and enjoy this day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. This one's not clickbaity at all. Yeah. Man, I'm looking older. That is so weird. I didn't think I would ever get older. Super strange. Until you get the length of scarf that you sorry. I have a big old hair in my mouth. Okay. And remember, like this scarf, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And remember, like this scarf, life is full of highs and lows, mountain peaks and valleys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.